Using basic geometry, we have to prove that surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. For this, let's draw a sphere like this. If you open this sphere from here, every point, if you open this sphere from every point, then this sphere is exactly same as a cylinder, exactly same as cylinder of height 2r. So this will take a shape of cylinder of height 2r and this perimeter 2 pi r. Now if we open this cylinder, now we got this cylinder, that is an open cylinder of radius r and height 2r. Now if we open this cylinder again, then this will be exactly a rectangle of height 2r and width 2 pi r, that is perimeter of the cylinder, or you can say square of the base. So surface area of sphere is equal to surface area of open cylinder, and this is equal to surface area of rectangle, and this area of rectangle is equal to 2r into 2 pi r, which is equal to 4 pi r square. So this is our surface area of sphere. Now for volume of a sphere, let's assume this is our sphere. In this 3D sphere, if we cut one small segment, this is over the surface and this is center of the sphere, then joining this from whole surface to radius, one segment. Similarly, we can cut another segment from surface to center and another segment. So different segment we can cut from surface to center. Then a whole segment will be changed like a cone. Whole segment is like a cone with this is as a base area you can say A, and this is as L, that is lateral side. And we know that surface area of cone is 1 by 3 into lateral height L into base area A. And so if we add all these segments, then we get total volume of sphere. This is equal to summation of all cones. Sorry, this is volume of cone. So summation of volume of all cones. So this will be like 1 by 3 into L into summation of A. And again, and we know that this L is our radius of the sphere. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into R. And this summation A is the total surface area of sphere. So total volume of sphere, that is volume of sphere, equal to 1 by 3 into R into total surface area of the sphere, which we have calculated 4 by R square. So this we get 4 by 3 by R cube. This is a very basic proof to calculate the surface area and volume of a sphere.